Hey folks, welcome to Angeldust Live. I'm Frank Firefly Lucas, your host for the stream, and today we are playing Angeldust again, the action RPG for Windows, Mac, iPad, iPhone, Android tablets and phones, Linux, and even Raspberry Pi. If you're watching this on YouTube, a thumbs up to the video and like a subscription to my channel is much appreciated. If you're watching on Twitch, hit that follow button, and if you're playing the game on any app store, a positive review or 5 stars, or on Steam, I'm not sure what it's called, but like tell something positive about the game, give it a thumbs up. Much appreciated. You know this, you know this. We've got Ruan here, we've got Terra Unitas here, privyet. And obrigado Ruan, thank you for joining us. We've got Patti Wagon, Chang Yang with us, Loki the Witful, someone whose name I can't pronounce, looks from Thailand, so welcome all the people from Thailand. We've got Rasia from Indonesia, and we've got the Rafa from Indonesia, welcome, hello. And Hum says, they can't go home, I'm not sure what that means. Crunchy was here earlier, and we've got Iggy Iker here. So that's really cool. I like the shirt on the website Angeldust. Yeah, me too, me too. Check it out. It's my it's the shirt from the website Angeldust. See? Wow. It's got the Angeldust design on it. You don't get the handsome man to go with it though, so that's not for sale. Hello Patty Wagon, how are you doing? Hey, so if you're playing on Android, this is a big announcement here. If you're playing on Android, make sure to update to the very latest version, which came out just last night in my time zone, because I spent like a lot of time around midnight to update it. There was a sort of like bug with the text entry. Previously, when you enter text, you could enter the text and then you could click anywhere on the screen and the text would get saved. I changed that behavior in 3.25. And everyone is confused and everyone hates it. So 3.26 with a 6 on the end is now out, and this reverts back to type your text, click anywhere on the window, and it's saved. So my apologies for for doing that change. Like I have inserted a comment into the source code. This will never happen again. It says do not ever change this behavior because like all of the players want to just tap anywhere and then save the string. So there you go. It's a very beautiful shirt. Thank you. When Firefly Scout cosplay? When? Maybe I'm still waiting for the female Firefly. My internet doesn't allow me to update the game. I can't help your internet. But anyway, it is out now, so if you go to the Google Play Store, 3.26, that's what you want to get, 3.26. That's the latest update, so it's also in this forum topic over here, where like I say, okay, it's out. The update for iPad and iPhone is coming as soon as possible. I have sent it to Apple for review, but it always takes a while. But as soon as it's reviewed and it's approved, it will be available on the Mac App Store, or the iTunes App Store, sorry, as well. There will be no 3.26 for desktops, because you don't really have touchscreens on desktops, so that's that. Yeah, it's a skill issue, not being able to type this text. It's also on itch.io, so if you can't really wait with your Android device and you can't update it via the Google Play Store, maybe you can get it from here. So Angeldust 3.26 for Android. There you go. That was announcement number 1. So seriously, update to the newest version, because otherwise you may not be able to register, or you may not be able to chat. So, what's up everybody? Hey Talking Plants, welcome to the start of the stream even. You did great. So here's the lottery code in advance, 68520. Like this digit is one too low, and this digit is 1 too high. Otherwise it would be 69420. It would be super cool. I have been getting occasional yellow bars in the game, which is weird considering it started off the translator update. Yeah, so server performance is another issue. Like today is going to be a very good stress test. Past Tuesday, I think we had the dev stream and we tested it out. I think there's definitely something weird going on with the server, like the hardware configuration, or the thing that's hosting the game server. So I want to get a feel this evening for how it runs, and maybe we have to move to a different server. So let's see if it works. Hey Sodomio, good evening, or good night, or good afternoon, or good morning. But there's definitely something weird going on, because the server software itself, like the programming itself, didn't get any heavier or so. It just runs the translation task now as well, but that's just a very small thing to do in the background, I suppose. At least that's how I coded it. But I think there's something weird going on with their disks or something. So that's coming real soon. Move away from the hosts who turn your server off unannounced. Yes. Okay, so next up, second big announcement. So we have the Angel. Well, I had a short night's sleep. Sorry. 3.26 for Android. Get it now. 3.26 for iPad, iPhone coming real soon now. But next up, I added a new feature to the website where you can modify your holo scrolls. I already used this to great effect, I believe. This lets you see and browse and filter and edit or update all of your holo scrolls, which is a really nice feature to have, because sometimes the in-game user interface can be a bit finicky for typing long text and for making these scrolls absolutely perfect. So now you can just change the text post facto. Loki says that they updated their entire tic-tac-toe build without this, which is insane, but you can now do it like this as well. My man had a stroke. You had a night of sleep. I'm jealous. Yes. Like it was 2:30, like 2:30 midnight when I went to bed finally after packaging the update for Android and for iPad, iPhone. Obi has 47 pages of holo scrolls, 75 pages of holo scrolls. So then you have about 375 holo scrolls because there are 5 on a page, which is basically still one of my outstanding questions. Do we need more per page? I think it makes it really hard to find what you're looking for, so I think 5 per page is very cozy, very comfortable, very good overview. Hey Rasya, Bahasa Indonesia, Selamat datang. I can speak Indonesian. I think you want less per page. Okay, hello, Dylan Costa Orozco. Dylan Costa Orozco. Welcome Dylan to the live stream. Are you here for the lottery? Because the lottery code for today is 68520. So if you go to the website and enter that code, then you can participate in the lottery. You might win a pet snack, and so you can have a pet in the game. Loki says 5 is nice. We want less per page, so I don't need to scroll each time to read all of them. Yeah, so it's sort of designed that it works on a 1080p, like full HD monitor, see? It sort of works. Depending on how many pixels you have. Anyway, so a quick demo. Joke, why do Java programmers wear glasses? You tell me. Anyway, so I already used this to great effect. I think on page 9 or so, I find my scroll for the Robo Butler that's on my house. So let's see if I can go there. No, it's page 10. Hello there, Firefly is currently away. Firefly live stream. So you can see the magic that I entered here for the Robo Butler, and I updated the time. Wow. I updated the time for the daylight savings thing. So it's now 1700 hours UTC instead of 1600. This is amazing new technology. You can also see when you placed, or you can change the contents of a holo scroll on a different land claim. So this land is claimed by Fatih, Turmeric, and Cumin. So very useful, very useful. One hint though, or one tip: if you no longer have building permissions for a claim, or if you are no longer friends with the owner of the claim, then you will not be able to update the holo scroll anymore. So that's a check, because they don't see sharp. The Joe's Java programmers. Good joke, good joke. I didn't see that coming. Hey Dylan, how are you doing? You can't spam click them and read them all quickly. Okay, I'm really putting a lot of effort in not cursing in Indonesian, really holding myself back. Okay, I'm playing a game, that's good. On 70% zoom I can see them all. Okay. Bisa bahasa Inggris. No, I'm Dutch. I'm Hollandes. What is it? Belanda. I am Belanda. Hey Rain, welcome. The holo scrolls in the website is awesome and it's working great. Yeah. So when you update a text, I will update I was here. Boom. Message saved. It can take a while for changes to show up in the game. It literally says this, and so the meow said, "Hey, does it take a while for it to show up in the game?" Yeah, it takes a while for it to show up in the game. Well, that was sort of a joke, sorry. It was crude humor. I didn't sleep too long, but hey. The game and the website have to synchronize, and while the holo scroll is actively loaded in the game world, it cannot synchronize with the website and vice versa. So you will have to tell all of the people to go away, like shoo them away, and then sign out yourself. And then once the area or the holo scroll is unloaded, you will be able to see it on the website, or you will, once you re-enter the area, see the change in the game. So I checked and it's all updated. Phew, it works. Loki Woodful is like, I checked and it's all updated. So it's basic photon rules. Yeah, basically. Yeah. So it's sort of like it's the same game with the same mechanics. I had no doubt. There you go. Speaking of the photon tic-tac-toe thing, like, you need to visit it. Loki the Witful has it on their world save. This topic didn't get a lot of love. Like, no one of the topics got a lot of love after I posted some messages this week. But hey, there you go. You can visit Loki's tic-tac-toe build. It's been improved. Reset time has more than dropped in half, so that's cool. That's super cool. GG Loki, very good streamlining. Obi is proud of you. Obi is proud of you. So what more? So the land button is over here. One thing I'm contemplating, because we are in a hypertext interface here, like that's what HT stands for, hypertext. Might it be useful to have a link here right next to the land claim names that says hollow scrolls, so you get an automatic filter on those? Like it would be sort of a niche thing, but it might work. So here is the thing. Dapatkan makanan ringan hewan pelarian, Anda masukkan kode. Okay, Russ, yeah, that's how you do the lottery. So, let me show you how the filter works. So if you're looking for a specific word that appears in a hollow scroll, you can just enter something like, we're looking for the Robo Butler, right? So it has Firefly in its text. So you just enter Firefly, filter, boom, you found it. Wow, that's awesome. What you can also do is to find all of the scrolls in a certain claim. So if you enter chunk coordinates, and let me see, like we have a few in 4046, and then you have to enter a comma 478. So basically like it's how it's formatted there, but without the XDI. You click filter, boom, and you find all of the hollow scrolls in that claim. Awesome. So there you go. And Dylan says, Firefly, greet me. I already did, Dylan. Welcome. One thing that still irks me, you should make a door inside so people can inspect your photon work. What? I think if someone wants to play the minigame with someone, they'll be civil enough to mess stuff. This is very, you're putting a lot of confidence in other people. Anyway, so that's the hollow scroll editing via the website. It's a small touch, but this just improves the entire in-game translation thing that we have going now. So anyway, do we have people for the lottery? Yeah, we have the boss and we have the Thailand man. So the land menu is so cool. No, but we're talking about hollow scrolls, talking plants. Like land is cool because you can name your land claims, but hollow scrolls, you can, every hollow scroll that you have in the world, even on different claims, like claimed by other people. See, streaming cities, these are even links, so you can click them and you go to their profile. Wow, Firefly, you're amazing. But you can update your hollow scrolls from the website, so you can use spell check, you can copy paste them, you can tweak things later on. It's super. The land menu even has an unclaim button. It's amazing. It's amazing. You know this. So anyway, are we ready to go and play the game, or shall we do some lottery first? Yeah, first winner for this first session, Boss 486. That's cool. Boss 486. I remember when I had a 486 DX. There you go, Boss. You now have the pet snack. And then next up, this player from Thailand, GG, also won the lottery. Congratulations, you have the lottery winner badge, and once you sign into the game, or sign out, sign in, you get the pet snack. You got it. We will take a look later on if we get more lottery players. So, with all of that out of the way, I was going to do that, but then I found that people love stepping on any button they can. They do. Congrats, lotto winners, yeah. I do it at the start of the stream this time, because then people can already show it off. Okay, we're in the game. We're going to play. So choose the hero you want to play as here on the left side. All of them have Firefly colors, which are all white. We're going with the fighter because I'm really, I really need some sleep, and I just want to walk up to monsters and hit them. That's what I want to do all day long. Enter your player name and password in these boxes. We'll sign in a few seconds. On the right side of the screen you find the game's social media, so Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch and Discord. Discord server is still, or again, highly recommended. There are a lot of players of the game there who want to help you find rare creatures, hunt together, build together. Really cool. Click the button. Website button takes you to the game's website, which you saw in like the previous demo. Super cool stuff. You can name your land claims, you can tweak your hollow scrolls, you can trade in your quest points because every quest that you do becomes a quest point. Dungeon points, can trade those in for super cool creatures, you can send private messages to your friends, and you can color your heroes there. Super important. And this button sets the in-game language. We're going with English, cartoon style, and I'm going to sign in. Hopefully I can play this evening. The monsters, yeah. Hey, I signed in a lot quicker than before. So Lunime says, "Hi sir, hello." Roji is here. So shall I type in Dutch? Hallo allemaal, goedenavond. So we're going to flex this in-game translation. Privyet, Shvetilok. Hi Firefly. Hi nerds. Hi Crunchy. I did it. I joined. Yes, you did. So we are now really stress testing this translation thing. Firefly, thanks for the cool update. You're welcome, Roji. Good idea, Roji. Hello, boss. If you sign out and sign in, you get the pet snack. Ooh, you're watching Loloshka? I have no idea what the Loloshka is, but yeah, I'm watching all of the Loloshkas. That's how I do. Goedenavond. I'm eating soda, meow. Okay. Hi Firefly, need coffee? I could use some coffee, yes. Though I don't really drink coffee. Hello there. In 15 minutes I have to leave because I'm a go turn down the device. It's all good, like don't worry about a thing. Lol. Purple coffee with a hint of red. Oh, it's on the table. Do it. Ooh, the translation just works so good. It's just so good. See? Oh, hi Firefly. Hello. Firefly, thanks for the cool update. Are we ready to go? Have it. Yes. But it's a pleasure to see you guys at the beginning again. Hey, also, all you Android players, update to Angeldust version 3.26 now for text update. Boss says most of my countries are not signed in. Okay, that's not a problem, as long as you can sign out and then sign in. Boss, if you sign out and in, you get the pet snack. Okay, Terra, better watch your language. Your language, because I can read your messages. No sense spamming either. Hey, how are you? Are all their keys just modifiers and they have to press multiple to write one chat? I have no idea. Yes, I do. Ha ha ha. Ready to go. Okay, let's go. Can I use my special powers? Not yet, not yet. Let's see what happens, Soda. So let's power up. Let's go. Let's go. Follow me. Oh, too bad. Yeah, we still need to test them in real life, but the moment will come. The moment will come. Don't worry about it. One of these days you will be able to get rid of the people. Okay, so I think I need to set my I set my controller to high sensitivity because my rotational speed has changed. There we go, much better. So you can set sensitivity of the mouse and of the controller independently of each other, which is very useful here. Or just maybe I go with normal here and then I set the rotational speed to default. Yeah, this is what I wanted. We're back, we're back. Maybe it wasn't clear that you can now paste text in the game. That's also a possibility. But I think it's someone referring to someone else in the game. I have no idea. You think Niels got jailed? When did they have the trial? Was it this week? Or was it later this month? I can't really remember. I can't really remember. I'll go to bed. Okay, you go to bed. But thanks for letting us know. It was like this week. Okay. I did not get Niels got jailed. Wish there was auto attack. Hey, Crunchy, you can keep the button. Crunch. You can keep the button pressed. If you got jailed, he will stop. Press X to doubt. Press X to doubt. I'm not sure if Niels will ever learn. Niels sounds like a person who is always looking to just skirt the edges of what's legal. Privyet, we'll get better. Hey, Sanfran. Hello, Sanfran. And Fashka? Something like that? Fashka and Namashka? It's Forge. Hey, at least we have 2 new faces in the game. That's always good. We're somehow expecting that Rafa to join as well, but I'm not sure. Maybe Rafa had to go to bed early. So we might still need a different way of doing the lottery. Okay, is it really that people... My friend is watching the stream. Hey, cool. Are people really just now discovering that they can paste text? Like, this is why I never wanted... This is why I never wanted to have paste in the thing. Yeah, I'm really happy for you and I'm gonna let you finish, but please stop pasting links in my chat. Stop using up my translation budget with links. Because they are not going to get translated. And one more time, just if you missed it the first 20 times. Thank you. Now please stop pasting links. I might just remove long press to paste in the next update because you don't need it anymore. I mean, why would you want to paste text at all in the game? It's now automatically translated. You don't need to paste text anymore. Problem solved. Maybe it could still work for the login password or something, but not for in-game text. Also, last time we saw it's so good, I will get rid of the Google Translate. There you go. See you later, Lunime. See you next stream. Yes, thank you for being here. It's all good. See you later, Lunime. All week they were it's Shinju. Yeah, but your name here is Lunime. Lol. It is Lunime here. Bye Lumishimi. See, we got a bit of lag now too. It is some Russian channel. Yeah, it's probably the owner of that, like trying to spam us. Oh, did you know that the mute button still works though? So you can still mute people. I see a golden opportunity in my near future. Hello Firefly, Deccan Priv says, hey Deccan Priv. Deccan, it's been a while, if you are still the same Deccan. I'm not sure where the Priv came from, but thank you for joining us on this beautiful Saturday day. Deccan, not sure if you followed the game closely the past few weeks, but we now have automatic translation in the game, so if you don't speak English or if you don't speak any of the other languages, don't worry. The chat log is now automatically translated. So see in the text in green, ooh, you're watching. Hello, Firefly, thanks for the cool update. See, wow. Thank you for the cool update, Firefly. Hello, Obi. Hello, Obi, how are you doing? It's nice to hear from you. Hey, I'm level 198. How to enter the code? How? Russia. Russia. Enter it on the website. Angeldust.com. You can sign in there with your player name and password. I hope this translates. I don't speak English, but I join live for entertainment. Thank you. Which language do you speak? Privyet, Dekon, как дела? Спасибо, Paruski. Selamat datang, bahasa Indonesia. Are you, bonjour, parlez-vous français? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Parle italiano? Hablo español? Hablo portugués? What do you speak? Is the strongest warrior. I am the strongest warrior. At the moment, I'm not in the game. I'll join in a little while. I speak Portuguese. I'm from the... Ah, obrigado. Bem-vindo. I say Angeldust. Kinda long though. Makes it feel like they won't be able to type it without typos. What? Kinda long though. Hi Faya-san, it's Shinju here. That account Lunime is my main. Yes, that's why I said hey Lunime. We'll see you later. So I mostly call out people by their name in the game. So huh? So this says huh. I send messages with links, names, and YouTube filtered them out. Yes, this is what happens. You. So we're going to the west. It's this way. Just keep following me and you will be handsomely rewarded. That's the idea at least. So far we haven't been handsomely rewarded. Firefly. See, now this longer message, see, now it stalls again. Firefly, as you can imagine, add the ability of golden pets to collect gold. Would that be fun? I'm pretty sure there are people with golden pets who don't want it to act like a different pet. Yo, okay, I'm getting censored, never mind. And rightfully so, some people might say. I like that. Oh, yeah, it would be a custom tailored for Loki. Custom made for Loki. Just say gold and boom, Loki is awake. Yes, we saw it happen here on the live stream. I got 1 coin. I hope Loki is not jealous of me. It works better than coffee. Hey, maybe someone, we should find my trigger word. PBR, shading. Nope, didn't work. Roji asks something. What is it? See, another message comes in, and now we get bars. So I'm not sure if this is like coincidental. Seems like a good idea. There you go. It's not coincidental anymore. I believe on Tuesday when we were testing the feature, this happened too. So as soon as a translation, well, not every translation, but sometimes when a translation needs to come in, it stalls. No, it's not, like there's no way for this to actually be caused by the code itself. There's something weird going on with the environment that we run in. It feels like there's some kind of process stall going on as soon as we fork. And that's not good. Hey Niels, we were talking about you. Obi thought you might have gotten jailed, but you're here. What happened? Firefly, did you make a Snapchat? I have no idea what a Snapchat is. We are stalled though. So it definitely feels like when someone is chatting, when someone is typing, the game stalls. But now we don't, so what's up with that? He was in the forest, you were in the forest.
This is a nice find. Nice.
But I'm definitely noticing more of these stalls. This lag is definitely more apparent now that we have the translation feature. It didn't used to be like this. You're in the car eating McDonald's. See, every time someone types, boom, another lag spike. Beautiful biome, yes, but not beautiful lag. Running away from the authorities. So I could do two things. We could either move the entire server, or I could try and re-architect the entire design to try and mitigate this. There might be a way to improve this without us needing to move hosts. But give me a bit. I'm working on some other things at the moment, but then I will improve the lag situation. Can't hear the stream, be back in a bit. Huh? Then how did you know how to reply to my... Hey, there's a quest roamer. Come and get it. Come get some.
Ah, this would be helpful. That was easy.
Die Bird. Translated from German. Die Bird. It's actually Die Bird, but Die Bird sounds like German. See? Whoa. So much lag. So much lag. Need to fix this somehow. Code Berapa, Rasia. The code is... what was it? Did anyone remember the code? It was like 68520, right? I swear it's on a timer. I bet if you time the time between spikes... I don't think it is. I think it has to do with the translation thing. Like now it will lag, see? A message pops up and it lags. That's the only thing that I see happening. But why is this lagging? Like deep red even. You know, but it's not about being near someone. It's about the server having to translate something. And then, like, the entire process just stalls. And I have no idea why.
Let's see them dodge my attack.
Like, it spins up a translation task and then the entire server just stalls. Like, the entire game for everyone stalls. Because apparently something goes wrong. The internet in Thailand is not very good. Don't worry about the internet. Do not worry about your internet. The server is also running optimally. And it's programmed in a way to not stall. That's like the dumb part. It's programmed totally asynchronously, so that all of the heavy lifting is done by background processes. And then it still stalls the entire game. There's definitely something wrong with this server configuration that we're running on. But I will investigate what it is and I will fix it.
I hope no one got hurt badly. You are not going to like
Nope,
this.
nope, Obi, you don't have to help diagnose. I know what the problem is. At least I think I know what it is. The problem is that, like, we do a fork, and when the fork is being performed, like, the entire process stalls. It's not, and it's sort of logical because the fork is independent of p threads, but like forking from a thread will stall all of the threads in the main process. Nothing I say is gonna help you, haha. No, indeed, it only makes it worse because then people start thinking that I'm an amateur. Wait until tomorrow snack? No, there is no tomorrow snack. There is no snack tomorrow. Just get it now. No, get it now, yes. There is no tomorrow snack.
See if we can dodge this.
Enter the code. So what I probably need to do, and this might be a good idea anyway, is to fork the process once at the start of the server and then just reuse it. Right meow, yes, right meow. There is no tomorrow snack. There are a few other tasks that already do this, but I thought, hey, for translation, maybe it's nice to not have like that task running all the time when there are no translations to be done. So we just spin it up and we put it down as needed. But apparently, no, that's not what you want. We can't have nice things. Yeah, you have to, like, or have to at least. It's running in a sandboxed process, so it's just running in a separate process, so it cannot affect anything in the server. But the design, like, it does fork, it exits, it fork and exits on every translation, yeah. Yeah, so it should be re-architected, but this was the way to get it working, and on like any normal system this works, But this basically is a weird system that we're running on. Fork is very expensive at times, and it will block the main process as well. So, I don't know. That's what you get. So there were two options like past Tuesday. I could say like, okay, this lag is definitely related to the translations. Let's not roll out the update. But I thought, nah, let's just roll out the update. I think it's more important that people can start talking to each other as soon as possible. And then I can re-architect the server later on. You need to spoon or spork instead. Yes, I can imagine. Basically, that's what we need to do. But the problem is it needs to run in a separate process. And yeah, then I just need to demonize it, basically. I know what to do. We can't really deny that it's connected to the translation thing, so. Ooh, I stole that single coin. There was one coin and I got it. Demonize talking in foreign languages. Yes, basically that's what's that's what needs to be done. There's also a client thing that I am going to change. Previously, when you were pasting Japanese text or Chinese text or any unrecognized script in the game, you wouldn't see it, but it would still get sent and translated to others. So the next version of the game will display a question mark for all of the characters, all of the glyphs basically that are not in the Angeldust font. So you know that at least you're going to send something. It might not display properly on the screen and maybe not be visible to the recipient, but you do know that you are sending something to someone. For me, understanding the problem is hard, is half the battle for tech stuff, so this is good. Yeah, I instantly knew on Tuesday what the problem was, but I was a bit lazy and I focused on other problems first. I think the Android text entry problem was a bit more problematic. Soda says that looks cool. I haven't tried it yet. No, that's coming later. That's coming later. It's something I fixed in the meantime. So that's going to be in 3.27 in the next update. So that you at least know that you are typing something. So that you not paste your Chinese secrets and people don't see it. And then all of a sudden you shared your Chinese secrets. Or Japanese secrets, or Korean secrets, or Arabic secrets. There's a few scripts that are not in the game, so... It's just making sure that you are aware that you are typing, sharing, pasting text. It's really dumb, like on Unix. Why can't you just exec something from a thread? Why can't it not be done? Good thing the Russian player posted a YouTube link and not something else. And it was intentional too. So it wasn't even an accident. They wanted to share the link. Question mark, blank might be better, but I suppose some indicators that... Yeah, it's a first start. A lot of applications and a lot of operating systems will show a question mark or a square box for characters that are not recognized. If you go blank, then you still don't see anything. So if you paste an entire Chinese message, then you would still see blank. Of course the cursor might move a bit, but it would still be blank. I'm now a scout, Roji says. That's good. Square box is superior. I can look up if we have a square box. Yeah, I vote for square box. You guys are unbelievable. Square box. So, Obi, basically, don't do 10 scrolls per page. Then I will leave it as is, at 5 for now. And then the other feature now is the square box. Placeholder. Okay. I will write it down. Fewer the better. Okay. Did you try it out though? Did you already change the scroll? Did it work? Was it to your liking? You want to see as many as possible, as much as possible at once. I understand. I think 5 was a pretty good trade-off for being able to browse as well as finding. You went through all the scrolls. Oh, cool. To see what... Hey! That's cool, right? It's a cool new feature that, like, you are the owner of your data again. You didn't try it out. You had 0 typos? I trust that it works, but you had no typos because you went through all of them? Blue Shoots watched the translator stream. She asked what you did with your hair. Oh. Nothing, basically. Like, was it in a bad way or in a good way? What did you do to the hair? It's still there. Like, most of the hair is still there. What? Why? Why is my hair being scrutinized here?
Nice loot. Looking for this. I am the king of
What did you do to your hair? We rule. Yes, we're the best. Let me get the exact quote. Okay. As long as it doesn't involve the word scuffed, I'm good. If it was not private communication, because I have no business with your private communication, of course. The Wheedler is going up into the tree. Firefly looks different, or could it be the lightning? It's probably the different camera. And all of the settings and the lighting. Everything is different. Basically. I also have a new computer, in the sense that I have this one 3 or 4 years now.
no one shall escape my sight.
The Thai player leveled up to level 31.
I hope there'll be more challenging fights in the future. There's a great sense of evil here.
Okay, this one's down. So that quote wasn't specifically about my hair, that's good. Or is there another one common?
This will be easy. Right in the sweet spot.
Right in the sweet spot.
That was easy.
I guess the hair thing was my response. Oh, there you go, there you go. Man bun, yeah, man tail, man's not, well, it's, I don't know. In a way it's pretty fun to have long hair, seriously, it's a different experience, like you haven't lived until you tried it out, basically. I like it, it feels different. I could probably, like, when it's a bit longer, I could probably, like, twirl it around and then indeed make it more into a bun of sorts, but how long is it now, Firefly? I think it, like, on the front part is just below my chin, so why the long face? Because of the long hair. I'm not sure, like, where to measure it, like, what, like, on the sides it's a bit shorter still, so I probably need to go and get it remodeled sometime soon. But here's the thing, like, once it's warmed up, I believe, like, once the server is warmed up with the translation thing, then it doesn't stall. So what's up with that? I'm trying it now and I think I need the haircut, lol. Okay, takes longer to wash your hair. Yeah, but it definitely takes longer to dry. Like, washing, okay, well, let's just, like, get the water through, put the shampoo in, get the water through, do the thing. I mean, that's all good, but, like, when you're done, you need 2 towels and then it takes hours for it to dry. Sometimes when I go to bed and I shower in the evening, it's still wet. That's the thing, it also takes a bit longer to, like, model it, as far as I do that. And I need a hair tie, but you already knew this. Because it's the Scout cosplay event. Okay, I'm going first person because I need to see the forest through the trees.
Dodge my attack.
Takes a long time to style, yes. If at all, I mean... You look good! Screen capture! dude, take a picture. Take a picture right now. It looks good. There we go. I bet that Blue Shoes also said that it looks good. And my bird is here. Always nice to see that. In the background, my brain has already started work on the new process architecture for the translation thing. Like on one hand I want to keep the code as simple as possible, but on the other hand it's just apparent that that's not an option. What happened? It's dark all of a sudden. Hello darkness, my old friend. Yeah. Dungeon. From a dungeon. Translated from GL. What's GL? Good luck. Gaelic. And we got lag.
There's a great sense of evil here.
Very spooky. So I think it's all but confirmed that the lag is caused by the translation thing. I will fix it as soon as possible. Expect it somewhere next week. It will require a server restart, of course. But we'll fix it. We'll make it work.
Let's make this quick.
Wait, do you still have the bun? What? What are you even talking about? It's not a bun. I wouldn't call it a bun. It's more of a ponytail. Hair bun. Not thing. Yes. What about it? Tail. What about it? It's been there all the time. Like, just asking. Don't worry about it. We were talking about it. Hey, a ponytail is cool, yeah. Do you like it? Yes, I was just talking about this while you were on the phone. It's really nice. It's a completely different experience to have long hair. I like it. I said you haven't lived until you experienced long hair. I like it. Hey, Shinju, welcome back. Like when I go to bed, I don't brush my hair. I never brushed my hair. My hair is a mess. I already explained this once. My hair is curly, like I've got these curls and these waves in it, and it's just, it defies gravity basically. Like right now it's tied to the back, but if I don't, like it's just like standing up straight. 20 centimeters. So that's like, I don't know how it can even work. There are no like balloons nearby or some static electricity. Have you tried, hairbrush doesn't work. I just pull out half of my hair because it just is that thick. It's very thick and one of those real ones. I have one of those real ones. I basically have a comb and I have a hairbrush, like the one with the handle and on like all of the spikes, sort of. The untangle brushes. See? Lag. Someone types and then it lags. See you there, Crunchy.
There's monsters to kill.
So it's not on the timer, it's just like always in the hallways. Yeah, it's real curly, thick hair that I have. It's beautiful, like it's really nicely flowing, but I hope that there will come a point where the hair is long enough that it just like falls down out of itself instead of standing up. We back. Talking Plants asks, do you see programming writing similar to story writing, like when you get a new ID? I'm not really familiar with story writing, so I can't really compare the two. But when I get a new ID and it fits into the architecture, it's just beautiful. I see the entire class hierarchy, like the classes that I have to write and all of the functions that I have to write. I just see it like unfold in my mind, and then it's just a matter of writing it out on like on computer code. See, super lag. We'll work hard to fix next week. And the more I type, the more it lags. We've got Alexander here. Alexander, welcome. Привет, как дела?
This place must be purified.
Hello, the Neon. Oh, welcome to the live stream. We have interactive automatic translations now, but they lag the server slightly. This isn't your first time with long hair though? Yeah, it is. At least this long. I never had hair long enough to pull it into a tail or something. I sometimes let it grow, just like 4 or 5 months on end, but now it's a lot longer. Spasibo, drug. Okay, I'm not a drug, but thank you. Nice, I think it's similar. And Vaishnavi Modi says, you. So to all of you players who haven't... Here, we get a message and we get lag. It's just the same every time. It's not on a timer, it's just the same every time. Which is too bad, because I really like the feature. Not this long, just checked. Yes. You can sort of tell by the thumbnails on the stream in the past. Like, mostly at the end of the year I always like, okay, it's going to be winter time, it's going to be colder. I don't really mind having long hair. So it's been kinda like, not long, but not short either. I don't think I had lag with the chat translate. No, but now it, yeah, now it is definitely noticeable. Every time I type, it freezes.
Wow, this is exciting.
Yeah, it could be more players. Could definitely play into the equation, but it's designed, it's programmed to not be a tax on the server. But it is apparently because I made a miscalculation or misjudgment in what would be expensive. Just checked. I checked the undisclosed D. Okay. Droog is friend. Oh. Hello. Oh well, it looks like you're not getting any sleep tonight. That's what she said. We're going this way, to the west. Like every chat message is just lagging now. Your Angeldust live streams are all super short, especially the first ones. Yes. Have you looked at the stream thumbnail that's on the website? I think Obi already once told me like you need to update the stream thumbnail or the image that's there, because it's the old studio. It's like you see this kid. There's this kid with his with like a similar shirt like I am wearing at the moment. You see this kid sitting behind a microphone. It's a fun picture. Enjoy it while it's there. Maybe I will make. I'll take a new one soon. I'm not sure. I sort of do want to sleep tonight though, so maybe I'll spend some time tomorrow in improving the server architecture. Hey Crunchy, welcome on YouTube. How are you doing, Crunchy? Are you fixing hot rods? Is your new job still to your liking? How's life? Plans for the weekend? And I think those intermediate stalls, like the ones we just experienced, might be players using private messages to each other, private chat within the game to each other. It is in fact 8 years old. That person is a whole different thing. All your cells have switched. Yeah, that's what they say. Every 5 years or so, all the cells in your body renew. 2 guys walked into a bar. Third one ducked. Sure. Sure. Boss, you're almost dead. Get out of there. Boss, you're almost dead. I can only protect you. I cannot fight a war for you. Boss, you need to use... Yeah, boss. You need to use the the other spells. The red one does damage from a distance. I really hate this lag. It doesn't belong to this product. Like, I always pay so close attention to the performance of the game and that nothing can interrupt the actual main processing of the game, and now it's just scuffed. This is not good. This is not like up to my quality standards. Sort of similar to the tap anywhere to complete your message on Android. Like, this is not good. Like, the feature itself is amazing. I definitely like it. It will not go away. But the way that it installs the game in this environment, that's not good. That's not good. I hear it's 7. Okay. Hi Firefly, hi Wendy Simple. Boss goals are above your feeble mind. Can't you just tell us the translation after the stream? I could do it during the stream. Oh, you think I will be able to fix it in 24 hours? I have a lot of things going on at the moment. We can always blame the lag on Obi. Lol. Yeah, Obi types too much on YouTube. Like, we have to import all of these messages into the database as well. It isn't though. Hoo-ha, chuta. Like, I wish there was a way to fix it a bit better. Maybe I'll have to look into that. Maybe I don't need to call an external process for this, and maybe I can just integrate it into the actual server code itself. Maybe that would be the preferable way, but all of these new things, I'm not sure. Blame everything on Crunchy? I will blame everything on Crunchy. Thanks to Crunchy, we have a lot of lag. Says, I've been living with intermittent white bars for years. Welcome to my world. Yeah, we need to fix this. See you in a bit, Soda. Actually, it's my fault. I've been making a lag machine on the server. Nah, that doesn't have anything to do with it. This is only phase 1. You will see, once I upgrade that server translation processing code, everything will be good. Wait, let me check real quickly if Raza is in the box. Because then I can already give them their pet snack. Yeah, Russia is in the... Russia. Oh, wrong window. Wrong window. Russia, I just gave you the pet snack. So if you sign out and into the game, you get it.
Why aren't we going anywhere?
Obi's running a site translation business via the Angeldust server. I would like to play the Battle of Heroes. Okay, Rogi, we might do hero battle later this stream. My patience, Mgoba. I'm not sure what that means, but you got it. You got it. Don't worry about it.
Here we go.
It could be possible. It would be possible, but it's how do I get pet treats? Firefly, that would be cool. Boss, you already have it. Sign out, then sign in, and you get it.
Looks like you could use an extra blade.
You got your ticket on the box, boss. You already did it, but I'm not sure if you can understand. Maybe turn off the translation before. Battle of Heroes sounds horrible with lag. Yeah. It's basically a global lag switch. Yeah, it wasn't intended to be. Like, seriously, I tested it on my local setup, which is running a different environment. Like, it's just my Mac OS environment. And it's just so good in there. Like, it's so much faster and it doesn't... Russia says, yes, I got her. There you go. Well done, Russia. Whoa, it's just so transparent. We are actually able to talk with these people. I hope Boss will be back as well. Now there's one problem left and I don't know how to fix it. You see this Thai player with the Thai name? I have no idea how to pronounce it. So we should probably transliterate the names as well. So not translate, but transliterate. So we say, okay, change this Thai script into English script. So we at least know how to call them. Imagine how much people in Thailand must be lagging, considering you lag when you're this close to the server. Yeah, but it's not like that. The distance to the server doesn't even matter. It's just like the entire thing stops processing, basically. So while it is trying to fork, while it's trying to execute a translation task, the entire server just stops for everyone, everywhere. Hey, Soda says, yep, yes, into English characters. Also Russian player names, yes, like we could take every script and transliterate. But that's for a future edition. Future edition of Angeldust. Yeah, indeed. Are we back? So, yeah, it's all dead. About 1 hour after I started streaming, it just rips. What did Obi do now? Just kick everyone. I'm signing in again. Hopefully this works. We should be back now, but phase 2 of Obi's plan is here. Yeah, it looks like it. I'm getting lag on the stream. Yes. Yeah, we're back, but this is not fun. But I'm pretty sure that this is a local problem. And now I can't get into the game at all. We had this on Tuesday, and I think we had it last week, like past few streams. Almost on the hour, it just bombs out. I don't like this. Is anyone still in play together, Soda? Are you there?
Let's see them dodge my attack.
Is this where we were with the play together group? It's back. Yeah, okay. Thank you for being there. Let's go to the west, this way. The fancy lights did it. They're still working. Phase 3, kick Firefly out of the game. Yeah, weird things are happening. Weird things are definitely happening here. So the lag fixes might be something that I try to tackle first thing tomorrow morning. And maybe expect a server restart tomorrow. Or maybe not, I'm not sure if I will get to it. Maybe it's a ghost. That could very well be, but I don't believe in ghosts and technology. Beristere Hadulu. Rest first. I am trying to rest first.
Let's see them dodge my attack.
Boom! Face full of poison. I have an infinity PS. What? What does that mean? Is that a car?
I knew we could do it.
Infinity glove. Okay. Is that good? Or is that bad? What does it do? Tackle the spackle. Boss is back. So Boss will now figure out or find out that they have the pet snack. Super cool. Electric elves.
See if we can dodge this.
And that gets translated into all of these languages. Right.
This could be helpful.
But in all, I believe the lag is too much correlated with the translation thing doing its work for it to be random, so, or timed. It's definitely, I will fix it. I will fix it. Next week we will be playing without lag, but with translations. I promise. And you will be able to confirm your message on Android by tapping on the screen. There you go. How to not miss anything by going to get food, pause the stream by lagging out Firefly. Yes. it worked. Like phase 1 was to lag the server, phase 2 was to drop my home connection. And I don't know what causes it. I've had this 3 live streams in a row now. Is one of my devices bad? The worst part is that on Twitch the stream gets cut into 2 halves and people only watch the second half. Which is the best half, as some would say. Like, nix the hunt, drop the hunt. Firefly, can we visit my small town at the end of the stream? We either do hero battle or we do that. Or is my disconnection based on the translation lag? Maybe 2 can play this game. Could be. You can't beat the sorcerer for looting. I'm just waiting for the female version of the sorcerer. When you smile too much, the YouTube bots make it lag. I don't think so. Victory has arrived. So is it me, or ever since I got disconnected, do the messages flow in more smoothly now? It might just be me. Hehe, hehe, translated from Malaysian.
This place doesn't look too friendly.
I was the cause all along. No, I don't believe that. Really, there is no way that the translation thing can stall the entire server based on a client. It's not. It's just not possible. Not the way I designed it.
Bring on the heart.
Or is there?
They will feel my fury.
Here's not the frog. Let's kill the frog because we can. The neon got to go. See you later, the neon. See you later, the neon. Oh, I was too slow. Too slow. I did type the message though. Yeah, I came here to play the game and chew bubblegum. And I'm all out of gum. So I guess I'm just going to be playing the game then. You're right, this is not my blue. Better change. Loki can only be the builder. Yes. Firefly, can we visit my town at the end of the stream? Hey Roji. Roji, I think we do hero battle and then it's done today. I cannot move past the trees. So we could do hero battle in about 20 minutes or so. So that's 1930 in my good. There we go.
This will be easy.
Loki says much better. Feature request. Delay the thunderstorm of dungeon creation. It's a cool effect but usually completely over by the time I get there.
No one shall escape.
Yes, but. Yes, but. Then it has served its purpose.
On the hard stuff.
The thunderstorm is to draw the attention of the player to move towards the dungeon. So you see some flashing lights and you hear some like rumbles and then you know where to go. That's its purpose. Hey, golden snake. Hello, Wee Gaming, how are you doing? So it's not the purpose to be there when you get there, it's to be there when you're not there. Stop being so awesome. I can't stop being so awesome. Or was this about someone else?
Random violence.
How to make a weapon? How? You can buy weapons in the shop or find one in a dungeon.
charge more for my services.
Is it me, or ever since I got disconnected, haven't we seen any lag? It feels so weird. Like, why would my stream be connected to the lag on the thing? It doesn't make any sense. Maybe I just need to increase my view distance. That could be the case, but it's designed still laggish. Okay, but not on my stream at least. So I'm talking about my lag. I turned off my machine, I got my stream break. Okay. Welcome to the live stream break. It's designed to be even visible at the lowest view distance. No lag, wow, he works fast. 20 dungeons left for the fighter. Okay. That's nice, Alexi.
Nice loot. Boom. Feel the sting.
Good job. Keep going. This is a message for testing lag. See, no lag at all. So,
This is terrible.
is it because I got disconnected? What is happening?
I could be out treasure hunting right now. They never saw.
Oh, you turned off your lag machine. Oh, now I see it. I think Hum is saying the fog blocks the lightning. Slightly, maybe? It didn't... The message didn't really say that. Maybe no one is talking and needing translation yet. Yes, but even when we chat, it now does not lag. I found a gun book. There we go. Something about the dungeon spawn. The top of the dungeon spawns in before it should. It should build up instead of not. I'm finally having a dust rabbit. Firefly, your stream is so relaxing. Thank you. Spasiba, Roji. It's random basically. The dungeon starts somewhere and then it ends somewhere. It's basically random. And the thunderstorm sort of obscures the fact that it's being built. How to give animal snacks to animals. Select the pet snack in your inventory and use it on a creature. Not every creature type can be tamed though. I hope Boss received this message. It was intended for Boss. Hi Frozy Sky! I thought it was an animation, like coded to spawn in. When the PBR? Not anytime soon. Sort of working on other things first. Who is this scout and why are they this far ahead? It's Emma. Thank you for ruining all of the spawns for us. Bye. Wow. In Russian. Bye. Seriously, it's too coincidental. I get kicked from the game, my stream bombs out, and then all of a sudden things run smoothly. I don't believe in coincidence. Time to limit Emma. So maybe I should just continuously stream, get kicked off, and then the game will at least run. It's a sedan, so lots of room for the sass. What? What? You paid for no lag with your stream, huh? You're streaming from Windows, yes? Yes, I'm hi Alexi. Seriously, we had so much lag before and now never. Nipa. Hey boss, you did it. Boss, you did it, you got a cat. Like if it would lag just once, then it would disprove my theory. But why would my stream be influencing the game? It doesn't make any sense. YouTube and Twitch are not connected to the server at all. They're just not. Yeah, it feels like people are still fighting something, but I don't know what it is. What are we fighting? Is it this lone wolf? Level 10?
This will be easy.
Golden Moa. Okay, we'll get to that in a few moments. Anyone want the Moa? Good question. If you hadn't raised the point, I'm pretty sure we would have killed it.
What a blessed find.
Someone is riding it.
Monster fighting.
Roji? Roji, congratulations on the bird. If my car had the SES with yours, what would we get? I have no idea what that means.
Let's do some hunting.
Are you referring to a different three-letter word? Maybe the server provider was having problems and you just fixed it as the stream crashed. Could it be that your live stream announcement server messages in the game chat are lagging it out? No, because that's the Robo Butler. It's just an NPC like everyone else. Roji says, yes, I get it. Seriously, there is absolutely no way that these two things are connected, but it is very coincidental. It's very circumstantial.
Hunt was worth the prize. I am the king of monster fighting.
I don't know.
Let's see how they handle my blade.
It's the Robo Butler's fault, yes. Let's blame the Robo Butler, the defenseless NPC on my home turf. No, it's not holoscope. No, seriously, it's translation. Period. But it's caused by Fork suddenly taking a lot of time and then stalling the main process. That's the only issue that it can be. And apparently when my stream crashes, suddenly Fork does take a reasonable time and it doesn't hang anymore. Who are these people? Why are you ruining my live stream? Boss and Rasha, please stay with the group. Rasha and Boss, please stay with the group. Roji asks, a long-time player of the game, why are we going west? Roji, we are going west because it is inland to find higher levels.
Soon I will become the Sword Saint.
Obi is now just going to send all kinds of Hungarian messages to me, just to make it lag. But I'm here, Obi, just spam me with your private messages.
Feel the sting.
I'm here for you.
Let's make this quick.
Phase 3 of the plan is now in effect. Like Firefly and the entire server so hard. Arogi says, now I understand. Thanks, you're welcome. 13 reasons why you have to stop saying you're welcome when someone thanks you.
That was a good warm-up. Who's next? Let's get going, shall we?
My objectives are higher than this. Translated from Slovenian.
Crimson hearts burn within.
And it still didn't lag, so bring it on.
Bring on the heart.
Up to how many I have pets? You can have one active pet in the game at a time, but you can always summon a different one you tamed before. Pets are collected per hero. And no lag. 5 translation messages, no lag. What are the benefits of tamed horses? You can ride them. Yes, thanks. Yeah, Terimakasi. Terimakasi. Tiramisu. Infonia, thanks for the info. You're welcome. Do tamed horses have advantages? You cannot tame a horse. You can only ride it. And it gets translated, no lag. Hey boss, wait. Okay, they will be waiting because there's a mammoth coming now. I meant that. Okay, so then we have the answer. You cannot ride a horse without, like, putting a saddle on it. Okay, doing some good damage here. 35, 36, 38. So easy. Yeah, with this entire group, and it was only level 1 because boss and the other person went ahead. Obi, how's your lag plan going along? Do I have any bonuses when I'm riding a horse? You heal. You heal when riding a creature. You look cool. And there are more bonuses, but I mean, it's common. There are more bonuses. Sitting will heal you, yes. But riding on a horse also has different advantages. Boss is riding another Moa. Haha! How many nuns can you marry? None of them. None at all. I think someone killed Boss's old Moa. It's just what happens. Don't worry about it. Hey, there's the trapper. We need to look out for the trappers because this one is a tough one. It's already dead. And the cat is dead. Everything is dead. That's what we do here. Kill them all.
Let's do some hunting.
A joke. Tell us a joke.
I hope there'll be more challenging fights in the future. This will be easy.
Analog of the river. Yeah, this is the story of the river. The river went downhill. And Crunchy says correct. Here is the river. Yes. I'm going to sprint ahead of this Thailand man or girl because they are ruining the entire game. They probably know. But how are you gonna ban them? Like, I can't type the name on my keyboard. How can we even ban them? Hey, the banana is back. Welcome back, banana. How are you doing? I had a short night's sleep, so forgive me if I'm a little rough around the edges today, but I'm glad you're here. We're playing Angeldust, you know, and we now have automatic translation. Not sure if the banana already caught wind of this, but see these green messages in between the white messages and the yellow messages? Russian and Thai and even Indonesian, everything gets translated into your own language now, automatically. Sure thing, lol. Tell Soda I love her. Soda I love her. I love her. I noticed that, the banana says. Cool. Loki, give us some purple coffee. Yeah, coffee. Thank you. One thing, the translation isn't perfect. No, but it's state of the art. Wow, we can keep snakes? Yes. Loki has earned a snake. There is a minor problem with the language. I know. But I cannot fix it. It's about Arabic. Yeah, you probably will not see it. Like, the next version of the game will at least show a box or a question mark when you type Arabic characters. So right now you cannot see them, but in the next version of the game you can at least see that something has been typed. In Arabic the words are reversed. Yes, we don't do right to left parsing. That's just a bit too far. That's a step too far right now. So see if you can maybe speak English? Question mark. Yeah, I understand. There's a few right to left scripts, but those are not supported at the moment at all. You can use French. I'm not sure if you're like from a French speaking region of like... Ooh, we had a bit of lag. We had a bit of lag here. But I'm not sure, it was not caused by a translation, I believe. It don't, okay. But it's also the reason, I think Japanese is also RTL. I think, because when you have a manga thing, then it's also right to left. The traductions appears. Yes. Hello Yario, welcome to the next update of Angeldust. Automatic translation, indeed. Quay Ingrivel, how incredible. Yes, it is really cool, isn't it? I went to bed early, boss says. Okay, boss, you can go to bed if you want. Someone needs a heal, they say in the Indonesian. Yeehaw! A few streams ago, Crunchy, I didn't understand what you were saying. You said I'm going to zap the lighting or something, and I didn't understand, but you were posting a lot of lighting emojis. I didn't know this. You introduced me to a new meme. Maybe it's not a meme, but you introduced me to something new. Meme. I need to fix this translation problem. Right now it's so beautiful seeing the translations pop up instantly. I need to fix it, so we only spawn one process. And we can do that, I believe.
Take him out.
We will do that. Not we can. We will do that. And then it's just so amazing. Like, we just had Jario, I think the name was, join the game, and they see the translation pop up like this. Soda, watch out, you are almost dead. Thanks for healing, whoever did it. So I don't want the lag, I do want the feature. This turned out to be an epic battle. Dungeon number 31 made. Well done, Alexi. Hello everyone, hello Lynx, how are you doing? You're welcome, Frank, I'm here for you. Thank you, Crunchy. Your support means a lot to me. Like, every week you're here, and every week we have a lot of fun. Ooh, there's a big creature there, big Nimbus in the sky. Scouts, focus on the Nimbus. We'll take care of the land-based creatures. Scouts, fire in the sky. Soda Meow, you know what to do. Fire at will. Firefly, what is the max level in this game? Max level of what? Hum is level, what is it? 3000 or so? Character level. I haven't seen higher than Hum, to be honest. And Hum is still improving every day. Hum is level 2912. Hum is at level 2912, so go and beat that. Okay, how far are we with the Nimbus? Okay, it's almost done. It's a level 13. This is going to be a lot of coins for everyone. Just watch. Watch everyone. Frozen Sky, maybe better. Fire. Fire. Raja 2, here 490 coins. Wow. Nice coins for everyone. Without Loki being able to steal them. I see that the translation feature is doing great. Yes, it is. Earlier this stream it was causing a bit of lag, so especially when someone was typing a message or had just typed a message, it would lag. Right now that is fixed, and I'm not sure why, because there is no reason why it would be fixed at the moment. But it's I lost tissue. I will soon have level 50. But right now it's working beautifully. No, I can't afford even to get to level 33. I only need 1 year. Okay, don't worry about it. Just play as you go. I went to bed early, boss says. Don't worry about it. Boss, you're still here. Trapper and hug soda forever. We might. Yeah. The translation feature is so amazing. Except the integration, the way that I integrated it into the game is suboptimal. So right now it's running nicely and beautifully. But at times it's lagging a bit, so I need to investigate and fix that. Here we go, see? This is what happens. I'm not sure if someone was typing a message there. But we definitely got some lag. Let's wait for it to catch up, otherwise. And now we could ask ourselves, is this going to reset my stream one more time? Because if those two collide again, then the problem is different. Two Nimbusses here. Fire at will. Loki, some turrets. Humdinder is not online now. No, Humdinder isn't due. And Moises Zambrano is here. What's up, Mad Lang people? Hey, we are doing good. We are doing good, Links. Oh, sorry for bumping the mic. That's what happens. Boom. Keeping you awake all day, every day. So believe it or not, this week in the Netherlands we had bad weather. Every day we had snow, rain, it was freezing. Well, freezing cold sort of. It wasn't actually freezing, but it was freezing cold. And today was the first day that we saw some sun again. So I went outside for a walk and it was beautiful. Blue skies, a few clouds, just like the Angeldust sky that you see here. How do you do so much damage? I'm glad to know that. We are San Fran. We are working as a team. We are working as a team. That's why we do so much damage. We got some more Russian videos. Thank you. Boom. Biggest damage to show. Biggest damage. Let's go. So this says nice. There's one more creature. A level 11. Frog probably. It's so small. I have hairs on my head that are longer than this frog.
Nice loot. The hunt was worth the prize.
Thanks for healing. Russia, what did you run into? Am I the only one, by the way, who thinks that Russia sounds like Russia? The country? Russia was so great just yesterday, played this game directly, won the lottery. Yes, Russia is doing great. Yesterday they were playing the lottery. Yeah, that's probably because it's midnight in that country. So what they experienced as yesterday is today. Haha, Makasi. I have no idea what a Makasi is, but I'm real happy for you. None is healing except me. Omugi. Sith, you're doing great. Sith, you do great. And I'm really happy that everyone is typing and chatting. What's the adjoining level of peace when I'm just hitting a wall? Yes. Hello, Faye Power. How are you doing? Are you from the Netherlands? Me too. Hey, Faye Power, I'm not sure if you're like on the stream, if you're listening to me, but if you're from the Netherlands, if you're from Holland, super cool. Welcome. We don't see the Dutch flag a lot, but it's great to see someone. YouTube chat is empty. Yes, indeed. You're okay. What?
Come on, there's monsters to kill.
It's nice to see a Dutch flag in the game. You might have noticed that the Thai flag is basically the Dutch flag and then mirrored. And the Indonesian flag is basically the Dutch flag without the blue strip at the bottom. I think that might be because we sort of invaded and colonized some parts of those countries.
Sweet haul. I could be out treasure hunting right now.
Ask and show my yeehaw vid if I could be able to... Yeah, we don't have subs at the moment, Crunchy. I do appreciate the fact that we could have your yeehaw play when we get subs. But we don't have subs, so that's not a lot of subs. Bring the breath at the table. You can have one pet active at a time. Rosy Sky. Echo, 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 echo. I think Obi is gone. Obi's plan to sabotage the livestream went off the rails, basically. And now the livestream is going. And Obi is gone. Do I? How much can I have a pet? Oh, the pet snack. The pet snack itself can be used in an infinite amount of times. Maybe that was the question, like how many pets can I make? Like the cookie will never deplete. Yeehaw! Let's keep on going. Moving on up in the world. Yaringangu. KU network. Obi has left. See? Obi has had it with your stuff. I think Faye Power is trying to ride the dragon, but you cannot ride the dragon. Not like this. Hey, Faye Power, you need to be a donator or wonder builder to fly on Breaklings. OB is back. My lag machine broke. Couldn't fix it.
Nice loot. I'll make sure no one gets hurt.
Yeah, the stream has been running perfectly fine ever since you shut down
See if you can dodge this.
the lag machine.
That was a good warm-up. Who's next?
I say, and I get lag. Loki says lol. Yeah. The lag machine is back online, looks like. Soda, you're battling this Drakeling all alone. We will help you.
They will feel my fury.
Yeah, Yan Yan is here. They think your weird show them the original after the battle so everyone knows what we're talking about. Okay, yeah, we might. There's a worm behind us. Behind us what? Behind the what? Yeah, Obi is back with the lag machine.
They will feel my
Where's the worm? Oh, there, it's camouflaged. Let me do insane amounts of damage. Okay, I will tank. I will take the hits. Someone keep me healed. Need coffee. Ik heb koffie nodig. Purple coffee, over here. Oh, on me, on me. Here is coffee. $30 damage, 33 damage, 39 damage. Hola, pessoal! Hey, Angeldust Brazil, bem-vindo, como estás? So, you look pretty official, even more official than my Angeldust Brazil. What kind of coffee? Oh, the joke is that the builder's dispenser is like coffee that heals you. Brazilian Firefly in chat. Oh. Yeah, someone has been copying a chat log. Thank you for sending me the chat log. I wanted this. Ooh, I understand you. There you go. I'm very good at explaining jokes. Hey, Jeremy Darkling! Whoa, we're doing 50 damage. See that? There was a 50 damage bubble there. Jeremy is definitely showing off the power of the legendary wand. Good job, Jeremy. How much money have you burned so far? I cannot tell you. I cannot tell you. I chose the cheap plan that lags at times. it's cheaper. It's easy. Lurko. Lechko, it's easy. Hoy amo ese juego, eles me faz sentir muita emoção. Hey, you like the game and you are super excited about it. Obrigado, obrigado. Cold one. Who said coffee? Now I am pulatte. I have no idea what a pulatte is. Gold wall, yeah. Nice jar. I could go check their price. Jeremy, you did great. Awesome. Legendary wand you have there. And good evening, by the way.
Come on, there's monsters to kill.
Jeremy, is it okay if I talk in public about your question? I'm not sure if Jeremy is here. Using the crimsons. Yes, we all use the crimsons. Purple coffee all around. Hi Firefly, I am your greatest fan. Is it okay? Okay. So this is somewhat of an important topic. I really like your videos. Top, laten we verder spelen. So Jeremy asked me this week, Firefly, can you add, or like, could we work, or can you add a... You don't know latte? Bro, what? But it translates as pulatte. It's not a pulatte, it's a latte. I know latte, but it's not a pulatte. Anyway, Jeremy asked like, hey, can you add a Ukrainian translation for the game? Because given the current like world circumstances, it's a bit dumb to select the Russian flag in the game. And I said, I do not want to do it. You have no idea how glad I am that I can understand you. You earn the golden ones from dungeons. So, Ukrainian translation. I said the only reason that I would add a Ukrainian translation at the moment, like, is not because I want to add it like technically or from a large user base standpoint, but it would be because of political, cultural, societal pressure. And that's not a good reason, I think, for Angeldust to add such a translation or a flag for the country. I sort of want to be politically neutral, just like I didn't add the Palace of the Soviets because it sort of ties into real life politics and history. I sort of like want to keep the game outside of the real world and those things. So I said the Ukrainian translation and flag are not coming to the game anytime soon, because there's technical reasons, and just like the base reason is I don't really want to mix into the things that are going on in the real world. Russian language is not in the game because they started, or like because of the current activities. Russian language is in the game because I once added Unicode support, and this was one of the major languages that had Unicode characters that was supported in the font, and that I thought would make a good addition for the player base. So. There you go. And basically Jeremy asked me this week, and this was my answer. So I did say, like, if you're playing on a desktop version of the game, I could ship you a graphics file that will replace the Russian flag with a Ukrainian flag, if that's more to your liking. Sorry for laughing, but it was sort of a lightweight suggestion to at least get rid of the Russian flag if you don't want to see it in the game. And like that offer still stands. So let me know if anyone wants a replacement graphics file that you pop into the game, and then you don't see the Russian flag anymore. Obi has got some. Hey, we've got VV. VV? Like, is that your name on Twitch? This is my first time I played in a live stream. Me too, Faye Power. My first time gaming on a live stream. It is super cool. You get a pet snack. So we had some questions. How much is a golden sword stronger than a red one? It isn't. Below perfil, Obi. Yeah, Obi, you did it well. Hey, also you copied my icon and my name. You copied my name and my icon, and then you add Brazil to it. This monster never hit me. No, I have played on 420 live streams already. That's just what I do. Wait, what's up? LOL. LOL.
Time for some random violence.
If you divide 400 live streams by one live stream per week, so that's 50 a year, give or take, then I've been live streaming for about 8 years now. Brazil has a more updated icon than you do, Firefly. How does it feel? Oh, you're absolutely right. What I did do for the 3.25 update, you might have seen this, or you might have not seen this. It's only in the Windows installer. If you now run the Windows installer, you get a setup wizard, and the setup wizard now features the new icon in the top right. Wow. The details are incredible. I just do it like that. But who plays the Windows installer version? Nobody does, I know. I feel power. That's good. Vivi, do you also play the game? Like, are you playing Angeldust? Do you know the game? We are playing on the live stream with lots of players, as you can see. We're in the hunting group. And we're just hunting it up in the world. The last update, I'm not sure if you have played the game before. The last update to the game brings you automatic translation. So even if people are typing Russian language, Russian text, or Indonesian, Thai even, you get translations in your own language, which is really cool. Little Axe is in the void for the hero battle, looking pretty lonely in there. Maybe you wanted to play on the play together button?
This will be easy.
Hey yo, come play together. Hey Firefly, just a quick question. How would you know that my country has French? How would you know that my country has French as a main language? I have no idea. I don't know Sith, but sometimes people speak French.
This is great.
Maybe Little X is just trying to have a party or has already left the game and misclicked. I have no idea. But we are not, or they are waiting for the hero battle. What happens when you mix languages in a message? It will sort of do its best. Tell him it uses the phone's language. Okay. It doesn't. I have no idea. Like, I didn't know we had an installer. I thought it's just the zip on itch. No, it's an X installer. Hey, question. Are you going to do the card tricks? Oh, I completely forgot. I actually was playing with a deck this week. And I thought, okay, I need to do the card trick on stream. I'll try to remember for next week. Sorry, Loki. Ik ben gewoon Nederlands. Weet je. I thought games owners knew player addresses and locations. Still, I know nothing. I value your privacy and do not store or peek at any of your data. Top, nu weet ik het. Top, now I know. There you go, yes. I like XE installers, especially ones that have art icons show up when you click through next. And the ones with the custom window style are even cooler. Hey, have you seen the installer icon? It's a treasure chest, an in-game treasure chest where the icon pops out. It's a work of art. I spent many days, and that's also the new icon. I spent many days making that icon. Because Windows icon files, they're the worst. It's awesome. Yeah, it's a treasure chest. So it's a, you see the lid opening up and then the icon is just shining through. A lounge act is nearby. It's a real nice icon. I can't find your face here. Not yet. Maybe we will get a global Twitch emote in the future, Vivi. Vivi, have we met? Are you a player of the game? Again, like, do I know you? Do you want to share your Angeldust player name maybe, so that we know who you are? Ay ay ay. Jan just got dead, bro. I remember downloading a smashed version of the other game. A smashed version. Firefly, what is your level? Ik ben net level 189 geworden. Kan je zien naast mijn naam, geloof ik. Je ziet level van munten en van kerkers. So you see the dungeon level next to players' names and you see their coin level. So Loki is at 4-4 dungeon power and Loki is at 300. Dit oh ja, sorry. Sorry, ik typ af en toe Nederlands. Want je kan me nu toch verstaan. Aha. Sorry, I will switch back to English. It's just fine, there we go. And I thought it was super cool when there was RTX art of the block. Okay, that's cool. Didn't know Angeldust had an installer as well. It's been there since the beginning. Some people don't have a lot of disk space. Ask Niels B. Yes, it's secret. This is one of my accounts. Okay, Vivi, don't worry. Okay, I was thinking you were holding secrets. No, then I wouldn't type in this game. Yeah, but I remember that phase in my life, Obi. Like, I will not go into too many details here, but there's this is a oh no. But there has been a time in my life where I was happy with splash screens and installers and stuff. I recognize the feel. It's so comfy. Just being happy with some pixels on the screen and thinking like, oh yeah, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good, you know. Yeah, so Little X, we will be doing the hero battle later on, but not right now. So if you feel like joining the group, you can join the group. And if you just want to be in the void, you can be in the void. I just beat the bunny creature alone, Wendy Simple says, and can collect Dust Bunny and Pearl Bunny, defeating them took quite a while since I was alone. Yes. Some of these creatures are pretty hard to kill. Oh, Firefly, have you ever watched the vastly hated show Lost? No, I have no idea about it. You just lost the game. Okay. I'm a real trooper. Wendy is a trooper. Super trooper, lights are gonna blind me. Na 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 na. And then you get the 18's remix, which is a lot more hype. Someone asked what your favorite hero is in Russian. I have no favorite hero in Russian. I do have one in the game. Ik vind alle helden super cool. Echte superhelden, joh. I typed Dutch again. I didn't miss it, I did see the message. I was just busy trying to kill some stuff. Purple coffee, you just missed it. Soda, rip. Why? Because you die. And then you try. Again, really nice. It's really worth it because I have my cute little Pearl Bunny. Yeah, the Pearl Bunny, it's so rare. You want it. Everyone wants it. Soda is the best GM. I concur. NEF now present. I'm not sure, is Little Legs waiting for the player versus player battle or like what's happening? People. Casual roast is my favorite toast. I drink my coffee like that.
This is great.
Hey, hallo Henny F. Welkom op de livestream. Nog gefeliciteerd. Hè? Firefly, monsters scatter blocks, these blocks then feed.
How may I be of service?
I never rip so fast. Assistindo livre do jogo favorito e comienzo como coca. Okay, it's all good. You get a coke, and then you enjoy the game, and it's not a joke, and nobody got broke.
This is a nice find.
It's all good. We doing good. Thanks, Henny F says. There you go.
I'm gonna have to charge more for my services.
Hey, Faye Power. Now you have a new bird. Is this your old one? It's gonna rip. Boom. Rip. Dead. Yes. First time I found a bunny creature, if I'm not mistaken, I was hunting with Soda Meow. There you go. And Angeldust Brazil is like, deal with it. Ha ha ha.
Why aren't we going anywhere?
Everyone? Are we going?
No one shall escape my sight.
Yeah, this horse is gone, I believe. I can trap it in this crevice over here. I never use the word crevice. But my mate Travis, he always says crevice, and then we just do the whatever.
Wow, this is exciting.
When Angeldust 3D, I often said this, it's already supported by the engine, so it can already do anaglyphic rendering with the cyan red glosses. Clamp the horse, yes, we definitely clamped the horse there. And then I give him the clamps. Hey boss, can I give him the clamps? Coffee.
There's a great sense of
Do people actually do that? It was a headline feature for the other game for a while. Everybody played the other game in anaglyphic rendering. What does it mean when you say comencillo? It means that it's going to start. Comencillo. To commence, basically.
that hurt badly.
And it could also mean that you have to really watch this with your own eyes. Like, come and see, yo. It means like, come and see.
I'm gonna have to charge.
Playing Angeldust 3D with those 3D glasses on a massive screen. Yeah, that's the life. Did you find any more dungeons? This stream, we haven't. At least not so far.
I hope no one got hurt badly.
We clamped the horse.
Let's do this. Soon I will become the Sword Saint.
I'm pretty sure that some of these MOAs I have not even unlocked myself. So
To kill.
I'm doing the community a favor by just smashing in the MOA's head instead of starting to ride it.
See if you can dodge.
I basically just want to keep my horse forever. Hey Russia, I'm next to you. Hello. Stay here. Stay with here. Let's go. Follow me. Alexi has found another dungeon, so they are definitely despawning. There's a quest creature over here, so anyone want a quest creature? I love my MOA. Yeah. Hey, Faye Power, are you listening to the livestream live? Ben je aan het luisteren ook gewoon naar de livestream, omdat je nu opeens over een MOA begint? Waarom kan ik opeens een nieuwe quest doen? Wat is er gebeurd? Oh ja, ik ben gedisconnect. Ik kan een nieuwe quest doen. Ah, je luistert naar de livestream. Cool, super vet. Super gaaf. Hey, die nieuwe versie, die nieuwe update van het spel is wel geniaal, of niet? Dat je alle buitenlandse tekst gewoon vertaald ziet op je scherm. So, the translation doesn't work if I speak live on YouTube, but... Super leuk, ja. Super nice, yes. 9 out of 10, Loki says. But that probably refers to the quest progress. See, it's that treasure chest that Roji just opened. The Windows installer has got that icon.
Be helpful.
It's super cool. It's super cool. Infinity Glove. And the good thing is, they didn't make a typo, so it doesn't cost any money. Not to hammer on the money, but it's just, that's the meme with the translation. Wait. I do know that there is an installer. Yes, because everybody always used the installer.
You are not going to like
And it only has the normal texture level and it's got some scuffed music in there to drive the size down. I remember having 2 Angeldust chest icons on a PC. There you go. And you thought it was super cool that they were RTX rendered and all. There's basically two kinds of people on the live stream. People who follow the leader and people who don't. And basically I'm neither of them. Because I am the leader. At least that's what I think. Like, allow me to think that I'm the leader. By the way, hi. At. Wendy, who are you trying to add? There's 5 ads. Sorry, I misclick. Wendy is bullying me. At OB. I guess we all learned something last week. That you can use the at symbol and the at character to add someone. Where is everyone? Where is everyone? Firefly, do you know the game Hightail? I've heard about it.
Time for some target.
You walk too fast. You go too fast. You are too fast. That's what she said.
By the hour, right?
My keyboard kinda broken since I spilled water on it. Ooh, that's not good. My advice for that situation is to not spill water on your keyboard. I've heard about Hightail, yeah.
Let's see how they handle my blade.
It's basically a clone of the other game. Except different.
I hope no one got hurt badly.
Your game strongly resembles the game. Okay, so I'm a clone of a clone, apparently. I think you'll find that there are many differences in those games. There really is no game like Angeldust. Nice advice, Firefly. Very cool. Dab. You know this.
Feel the sting. I wasn't even supposed to be here today.
Firefly, your game is the best ever. Well, thank you for the praise, but that's super not true. I mean, the other game has got millions of players, and we just have like a hunting group of, what is it, a dozen players? 2 dozen maybe, tops at the moment, here on the live stream, so yes, it's real. Het is waar. Dit spel is het beste spel ooit.
Let's make this quick.
Okay, so here's the deal. We kill the worms, and then we see what happens. Just zap and all is good. I wish I could zap like you. Altijd avontuur, yes.
Easy. Time for some
Dames, heren, meisjes en jongens. Bouwen, ontdekken, vechten en bommen. Op PC, Mac, Apple, Android. Angeldust, altijd avontuur. Dat kan ik je wel vertellen. Altijd avontuur. Okay, we all rip together. We all go together. We all go together. Rip, run. Wendy trying to waterboard. That's not good. That's not good, bro. I mean, waterboarding at Guantanamo Bay sounds like a lot of fun, if you don't know what the words mean. The coffee. No coffee. Hey, I'll tell you what. This is the epic end battle. Afterwards, we do hero battle. Spaces Green has got some new thoughts. Yes, shining a new light on the situation. It's space. It's green. 33 dungeons for Alexi. Being rich ain't one. I'm a corpse. Space is green. Have you seen the new update? We now have text is green in the game, so we have automatic translations in the game now. You've probably already seen this, but it works really well if you're playing an international group like this. Epic moments. Yes. Epic moment. Lounge Jack, you're gonna die. Okay, maybe you're not gonna die. Lounge Jack, you're gonna die. Okay, maybe you already ripped. You dead, bro. You dead. Saya bisa mengenang dua sekali mungkin. Yes, and that means... Sorry, ik kan je niet opladen. I can't control 2 dragons, maybe. Okay. Okay, hurrah! Good job! Now we go and do the player versus player hero battle. Everyone ready? We do 15 minutes of hero battle. Oh, I almost forgot, Loki says. I had an idea. Would it be possible to make it where you could favorite people in your friends list so that they will stay at the top of your list if you find them faster? Yeah, that sounds like an idea. Sure. Yes. Ready for hero battle? Let's go. Oh, one more worm. One more worm though. Aye aye, Captain. It's the Captain. We first have to clean up this mess and then we can go into the hero battle. So it would basically be like a star feature or a heart where you click on the star and then the person is nearer to the top instead of being alphabetically organized. Like, how do we organize it all? Most recently online or something. Oops. You cannot kill a worm with a V-power. We gaan zo nog even deze draak een lesje leren. Okay, nice. Now we go. Super epic. Let's go. Follow me. Here we go. We're going into the hero battle. Boom. 13 minutes of action. Here we go. Little lags, if you want the hero battle, I will send you a message. You should do so now. Little lags, little lags. We gaan nu schieten. Dus kom erbij als je wilt. No teams, just free for all. No time to waste, let's go. Put electricity in the moon and boom, new elements. Yeah, let's go, yo. I do have to pick up my mouse though. Because hero battle is much better with the mouse. And this player just disconnected. Wendy Simple is simply going to rip a Roni. Boom. Let's BM them. Second place. Firefly, second place. We don't have OB here. Now I want to get Sith. Pew pew pew. Too funny, yeah, too funny. But oh, lag. OG Loke in the place. You wouldn't be so funny with a gun in your face. Rip. Rip, I'm dead. And the lag is back, so does this mean that we will get a thing again? Oh, we had RL things happen? Oh, that sounds good. That sounds real good. You can just say like, you can tell her like, hey, sorry babe, I just have to take care of something, and then just play the game for a while. She'll be there for you. If she really loves you, she will wait and let you do your thing. So we get Obi as the edge sniper again. He's just like on the edge of the world and he's watching, and then the bear. And then, oh sorry, Soda. Tell you what, in the Netherlands on Wednesday we can vote for the water thing, and then we also have the provincial state thing. It's okay, Firefly, I will come for you. That's what she said. I'm looking forward to it. I rip again. I type a message and lag, so every time. Immortalize me. Crunchy, I'm pretty sure you're already immortalized. You have an Angeldust player account. Yeah, does the stream now lag out? So, does it have nothing to do with the server then?
Sweet haul.
Red bars, yeah, I got red bars too. So for a moment things were running swimmingly and now everything is just like messed up. It's too bad, 9 minutes to go. Where is everyone? My dude keeps sweating. My dude is sweating. Like, I'm sweaty. This doesn't work. Yeah, same here, Hum. Everyone is getting lag. So that's what I meant. This needs to be fixed. It's right next on my list. Boom. Okay, Little X is here. Let's give Little X a warm welcome. And let's not lag too much. So please don't type any messages. Not even as a fun thing. Little X, there's a hole there. Don't fall into the hole.
Let's do this.
8 minutes. I'm dying because of lags. Yeah, we all do. Who this? Who is this person? Is this Roji?
What a blessed find.
Yeah, please don't lie. I know it's bad, but please don't lie. No need to lie.
This is great. Ah, this could be helpful.
Loki, Loki, you're running into a rock and a hard place here. Is the power strat to jump? Am I doing it wrong? Have I been doing it wrong all my life? Fey power, here we go. I choose you. Heavy's high. Boom. Don't go for the heart. I have my crosshair trained on the heart. Don't go for it. Don't do it. Obi is sort of owning the place here. 10 in 1. I'm not gonna do that, Crunchy, but thanks for the suggestion. Why are you running? Because I can.
Let's do this.
Get with it. Spam the tree, spam the tree! Who is this? Who knows about the tree shooting? Ooh, Sith. Nice strategy, bro. This is insane. Yeah, we've never seen this before. We just never played Hero Battle on the live stream before. 5 minutes to go. Let's go. Oh, by the way, if anyone has been typing on Steam, I'm sorry, but I missed all of your messages. I didn't have the foresight to open up the chat box. Oh, now I'm dead. Ik was even aan het computeren.
Let's do this.
Who is this fighter coming in? Sith is what? It's Fasha. Roji, I want you. I want you. Jumping and running and gunning and 4th place for Firefly. Quite the distance to the next one. Click, 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 click. Why can't we auto shoot? Why can't we auto shoot? Because you can't. You simply cannot. Ooh, that was some... You cannot blame it on the lag. This was not lag. In the so bad. In the so bad. Help. I just randomly stumbled upon you, bro. It was lag. Yeah, no, it was not lag. Seriously. There was no lag. I saw it. You saw it here. We got Obi. That's at least 1 point in the bag. It was Robo Butler. You can blame it on the... Oh, laat het zout zijn, laat het. Okay, now I'm slapping him down, just like that. Bye, Obi. Dude, it worked! The strat worked! How? How though? Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of my sight! Get out of my life! I don't want to play with Obi anymore. I don't want to play with Obi anymore. Let's take a look at what's happening here. We've got Soda and Faye Power on a hill. This is not the hill to die on. Hey, did you know that if you're in the void, you cannot see the list of players who are online? How about that? You all have my permission. For what, Crunchy? For what?
Let's do this.
Sorry, Lounge Hack, there was a bit of a cheap shot there.
This could be helpful.
Peace, peace, truce, truce. Truce, truce! What? No truce! The truce is out there. Oh dear. And now Faye Power got Soda Meow. And now it lags like crazy. Get it, get it, get it! Click, 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 click! When I attack. Yes, you can always attack. Laggy, it was a tie. Come on, click, 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 click. Lag, lag. I didn't know you could sit and fire. You can't. You cannot sit and fire. It's impossible. I died because of you, Loki. I never get good at this. Loki, I died because of your your sitting tip. Yeah, yes, I will fix the delay and lag next week.
Let's do
Okay, last life for me. Getting a few shots in, left and right, just like that. Getting hit by OB just because we can. Let the lags come in with the clutch here. En now we all gonna die. Nice. Nice. Lekker hoor. We gaan allemaal dood hier zo.
Let's do
I will fix the lag as soon as possible. Oh, sorry, Soda. OB is horrible today. 18 and 4. Yeah, sorry. Who hacked me? Everyone did. Boom. Ripped again. Let's say bye. Thank you for playing.
I don't understand.
So I'm leaving the void. I have no idea what is happening here. We have a dragon. We have some horses running around.
Service.
There's things happening. I want to go to my house. See if my Robo Butler has been updated. Hello Firefly. Firefly is currently away. And what does it say? 1700 hours UTC. Wow, the holo scroll updating actually works. It really works. Good job. Great job, me. Hello Wendy. Hello Loki. Crazy. Basically what I found out, I used to like mark private messages as unread right in the database. And I used to update holo scrolls right in the database. And I basically figured out over the years that whenever I have something that I do in the database, it's usually something that players want to do too. So that's why we have holo scroll updating. You did it, yes. Alright. Thanks for the hunt. See you next week. Most likely on Sunday at an earlier time. So next week I probably will not be able to stream on Saturday, so I will probably stream on Sunday next week. Will next week be 1600? I'm not aware of any DST changes here. So let's say thank you, you were awesome, and bye, thank you for playing. And then we sign out like this. Any memes this week? Yeah, I have a few. Well, memes like things. But I have to check one thing first. I'ma check one thing first. Boom. Bam. Boom. Bam. No, I'm not releasing another update. I know it looked like this last time when I did the update thing, but no, I'm not releasing an update at the moment. Or am I? Or am I? Am I going to fix the lag, like right here, right now? You never know. How does this work? I click a button. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's what I want. Give it to me. And then I click this button, which is also good. Then I click this button. There we go. Good stuff. Yeah. Alright, I'm happy with this. Anyway, people don't die in this game? No, indeed. You never know. Hey, Rogi. Привет. Hey, Rogi. That's a bit of a setback. You were a superhuman in the game where you could understand me in real time, in real life. And now you cannot understand me. So I think Angeldust is a better experience than YouTube is. Yeah, that. So, dude. So we really need to fix that lag thing due to the translation stuff. We really need to fix that. And I will fix that. So don't worry about it. Sith was amazing. GG to Sith. Sith, if you're listening, you did well. You did very well. Let's see if we have more people in the lottery today. We had 3 already. 2 publicly visible. Hey Jario, are you listening? Jario, I'm gonna draw you as a winner. So Jario was in the game a few moments ago. Jario68520, you entered the code and you now also won the lottery. So GG. Oh, you've got a nice house. Seriously, I know, it's a grey box. It's to my liking. But there's a window over here and a window over there and a window over there and a window over there. So, great house. I like it. This is my style. I like how you sort of match the colors between the corroded steel and then the wood and the grey. Top notch, Jario, I like it. You do still have lots of things to explore in the game though. 3 areas, 6 creatures. There's much more. So OB respect earned. Ooh, you started like this. I think the new one is nicer. Jario, GG. Let me get my ticket in the box too, by the way. 177 tickets. Boom. Sith was really good. Shall we look them up on the score chart? Player versus player. Where are they? Are they on page 2 maybe? Tucson, El Matador, Lucy. Oh, we have the Lucy badge that we have to give away still. That's for the future. So we don't see Sith just yet. I think they're sort of a new person in this game. So let's look up Sith. Boom. And they have 79 points. That's good, that's good. And you got shot by Obi 6 times. And did you shoot Obi? Not a lot of times. Oh, but I've seen Sith in the new player list, haven't I? New or in the month? In the month, there's one of the list, Sith is in there. Dungeons maybe. Yeah, they had a new speedrun PB. Dungeon, Sith. See, they're pretty high up in the speedrun list. 11. Hum 7 times, okay. We also need to look up Little Legs. How is Little Legs faring? 70. That's almost as good as Sith. Seriously. And a 239.8 speedrun personal best. Amazing. And you even shot Sith 3 times. Me 3 times. And Loki 4 times. This is good, this is good. And then we look up Hum. Oh, we can just click on Hum here. With all of those medals, like 4, 3, 2. That's 9 medals in total. Boom. Hum, 477. That's a lot. Targets Firefly 27 times. Shot by Firefly 24 times. Sith is a secret newbie pro. Whoosh. Hum 7, right over it. Whoosh. Huh? What? First house looks like Obi's graffiti wall. Yes, indeed. 132.6. That's a good personal best, bro. And you have the golden stuff. You have all the golden stuff. I know players who don't have all of the golden stuff. If you look up Obi, for instance, Obi has a golden hammer and should be able to get another golden thing. Even I don't have the golden stuff, indeed. Firefly, speedrun leaderboard. Boom, speedrun. Obi, new PB? What? Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I being hacked? Is this just a stealth run? What? I didn't even see this. So one thing I am contemplating, one thing I saw, that's a 7-second improvement over the world record already. That's insane. Yeah, I didn't see it. I wasn't looking for it. One thing that I wanted to do is to add a new speedruns or new PBs category here that would just list all of the new PBs as they come in. I think that would be a very cool feature, but it would really focus on speedruns, so I'm not sure if that's a good idea. Maybe a combined thing or so, that like forum activity and speedruns are intermixed. It would be cool, yeah, but it would really put the focus on speedruns though. A 123.4? again, that's a 7-second improvement. That's insane. How did it feel? Like, was the adrenaline pumping? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's such a meme time. It's really good. Cute numbers, yeah. And a 7-second flat improvement. Like, did you feel the adrenaline? It was cathartic. Yeah, but you know what? Yeah, like you worked on the dungeon, so you have a big advantage, of course. Took a lot of work. But it finally happened. That's cool. Did it happen during the live stream? Or earlier today or something? Because I usually look at the speedrun leaderboard like at least once a day. I like looking at the speedruns. Let me cheat a bit. Let me cheat a bit. All right. That's pretty good, bro. That's pretty good. I like it. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So even when I thought that your original time couldn't be beat, you now have it beat by 7 seconds. That's insane. It's crazy. I'm 6th place. So someone passed me. I think, oh yeah, Lambas this week or so passed me. Obi, the GOAT speedrun of the Angeldust. Yes, Obi the GOAT. GG, congratulations Obi, good job there. Enjoy the top spot for a while longer, I guess. Good stuff. Sith also coming in with, like, coming in clutch. With a nice speedrun. A 136 improvement over the last one. GG Obi. Right, so anyway, Holo Scroll editing is new. The 3.26 update is new, so get it if you're on Android. And I will do my super best to fix the translation lag that's been going on. Because it's really unacceptable. It's unacceptable. It's really good. Like, the feature itself is really good, but the way it's implemented is problematic in combination with what the server does. You had to run away from Hum's time. It's too close for comfort. Ooh, there you go. So regarding memes and things, we have a few ones that got sent in past week. So I streamed on Tuesday. Memes were fresh back then, but like, we can only watch them right now. And Hum says, I'll get close again in time. I better get better time so I don't get bumped off 3rd. Loki, yeah, this is why speedrunning is so much fun. Here we have Alexi with the capybara. I'm totally not up to date with this meme, but apparently Capybara and Angeldust, we did it. Nice graphics. We know Alexi, like, we have a perfect rendition of this image over here. This is a bit better. I don't like Capybara, it's overrated. Firefly having a brain stroke, you know it. But it's a perfect Angeldust rendition of the Capybara. There you go. Watching Gen Z memes, yes. I'm up to date with all of them, like the velocity dance, and I know like all of the memes on TikTok, you know it. I'm not up to date with Capybara, but we do have it in Angeldust style with the super cool color scheme. You can't miss it, really. Lol. You cannot miss it. Seriously. You cannot miss it. How many times do I have to say that you cannot miss it? You cannot miss it. You cannot miss it. Right. So that's the Capybara. No way, Firefly added a Masbro. What's a Masbro? I have no idea. But we have these images, and these will shock your world. They will shock and rock the nation. What if the archer becomes like Amine? There we go, Shinju. Don't re-upload without my permission. Well, we will not re-upload it without permission. But Ruan, do you like it? Amine Scout, do you want it? The archer, yes. Anime Scout, Amine. This is exactly what you want. Amine Scout. We're holding the crossbow even. I'm not sure if players caught on to that detail. We're holding the crossbow like this. Yeah, I'm firing my laser. Firing the crossbow. It's so good. The background is also lovely. So Shinju made this especially for us. There's also a version with alpha. Well, it's not really alpha, but it's got a white background. There we go. Mas bro means my man in Indonesia. Oh, I added my bro to the game. Can't tell if Obi is happy or not, lol. Indeed. But here we go. So now we not have only one Amine, but we have two Amines. Let me show you. Because people already forgot. But yeah, nice eyes. Yeah, that's what reminds me of the Amine that we already had. Is this the Amine? I basically want the other one. But here we have one at least. See, here we have the other Amine. Ooh. And then we used to have another one. Let me see if I can find it. Ooh, this one is just so good. Leyenda with the bird. Ooh, it's so good. Where is it? Oh, this one. Ay ay ay. Senpai, notice me. They're all the Amines that you can think of. Capybara became a meme for almost 2 months in Indonesia. Okay, give me these pics. I need them. Unfortunately, I cannot copy them or re-upload them without permission. So, there we go. Remember when I used to cosplay as the scout? Like I have the ponytail like the scout. So I used to cosplay and say like this, like, I am the scout. You wanna play Angeldust? Wanna play Angeldust? Ooh. Notice me. We play a game, yeah? Such a shame. He was such a young boy. Oh, what was the voice line? Sorry, I'm back. What's the voice line? Ooh. Scout Amine. Alright, anyway, so it's so good. I really like the collection of Amines that we have going on here. So Shinju, great addition. Yeah, go quest. I need you to quest, basically. That's what we say here. Oh my god, I'm still jealous when someone has a pink flamingo. Yes, indeed. They are all Sims for the scout, lol. Where Dungeon Force? I have no idea. It's all good. This one is really good as well. And the Weetle Scout, we should have the Weetle Scout, but I'm not sure where the Weetle Scout went. Weetle Scout. Weetle Scout, there we go. Oh, this is the fat loot that everyone keeps telling me about. F tier. My love. B tier. Okay, that's why so serious. I didn't really see this when Alexi first posted this, but this one is pretty scary though. It's really scary. They don't know I'm a wonder builder. I'm going to end the stream now. I'm going to end the stream now. I'm going to end the stream now. I'm going to... This is what happens. See, I have curly hair. See, it's very curly over there. And here we have the G tier. Frank Carr. Brr. Yeah, this is the one that I completely did not get. I didn't get it. It's all good. So we had the Amine, and then we have a second Amine. Oh, we should have this one. We should have had this one on the screen at the same time. So here's another Amine. I have to remove my face, just like Mel Gibson and Nicolas Cage in National Treasure. So another Amine with a flower. Oh, it's super good. See, just the way that she looks at you, you're like, ah, I'm melting. These are so pretty. Ooh. Hey Soda, do you want to go and hunt with me? We can do a hunt. And now you can understand me. Konnichiwa. Moshi moshi. Arigato. We now have translation in the game so you can understand what I'm saying. Firefly, what about the two brothers from the story? Which brothers and which story? I have no idea. The flower looks nice. Hey. There you go. There's the flower. They don't even have pictures. It's what happens. Sometimes the two brothers don't have pictures. Boom, we back. There's a lot of pictures of the angels in the game. The flower looks like an asset. Without the ET. The game story. Tell them to draw more. I did. I said like Ruan is going to get you a request for 2 Aminis. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure if that really happened, but it could happen. Like you can imagine it happening. Anyway. I think I want to like sort of stop the stream here-ish. Before we run into 3 hours. I need to get some sleep. It was fun playing. The lag is definitely not good. I really need to improve the lag. The translation itself is so beautiful. It's so perfect. Really enjoyed that we had Roji in the game and the people from Indonesia and Thailand. And we were able to communicate effectively amongst each other. But the lag that goes with it right now is not... that's not acceptable. So before we have a week of lag... I'm gonna fix the server and make sure that this never happens again. Advertise for your game, Firefly? Yes, that's something that I want to do. A lot of people have been telling me to advertise for the game. I did so in the past, but I feel it's best to advertise a new version of the game that is just much better. And we're getting there. Like the translation is such a core new feature that I wanted to add before advertising. And there's a few more things that I want to add before really trying to get the game back in the public spotlight. For now, just enjoy the small community that we have, because once we start advertising, oh boy, then all... I'm not sure what the saying is in English, but we'll get hopefully a lot of new players. Firefly, if I buy the Steam version of the game, do I get the HD and 3D packages at the same time? Yeah, it's all in there. Basically, every version of the game is everything at full quality. Except for the minimal installer on itch and the minimal version on Android. So you get more players and get paid more to fix that lag. Yes, that would be nice, but I will fix the lag nonetheless. I'm pretty sure you talking about down to top, lol. I have no idea what that means, but yes. When you start advertising, translate the lag spikes all day long. No, we will... Here's the thing, let me make a drawing. Because I think everyone is ruining the perception of what's going on. Like, we cannot find paint. Paint. App. The channel that talked about your game. Down to top? I have no idea what you were talking about. That talked about my game? So basically, see it as a box. See it as a box. This is the game. A channel that talks about Android games. Oh, I have no knowledge about this. This is the game. This is the server, the box. And then you have your phone. Like this is your phone. You know, the phone looks like this, right? And then you have the notch these days and the camera. And then you have the back button and you have the home button. This is Android, by the way. I know that all of you hate Android. But this is Android. So you have your Windows stack and all of that stuff. So this is game server. Yeah, it said server there. Server. There we go. This is how I make Angeldust. Notches don't exist anymore. Haha, that joke works on a few levels. So here you have the app of Angeldust. And this connects to the server, like boom, and then it sends data back and forth. So you play and you get stuff delivered back to your app. Wow, that's how the game works. Now this does all kinds of things. This does like physics, because you want to fall to the ground. Physics, and it does AI because we're hip like that, so it runs AI for creatures, and it does chat, and it does all kinds of things, and you can do things like the shop. The shop, of course, also runs here. Learning with Firefly is the best part of the stream. So you have all of these things that are going on independently of each other. So that's running. And now you have translation. Translation. Writing this is a bit hard, but don't worry about it. Translation. See? So now you have chat messages coming in and they need to be translated. So the server has to ask like, can you please translate this? And then the translator says, yeah, bro, here you have the translation. Boom, like that. But for doing that, it needs to do a, like, here we have the clown. This is the clown. And we have an API here. So not an app, but this is an API. And now the translation thing has to call that API. We can't do it directly because we don't want to stall anything. So we just say, okay, we spawn a separate process for that. Like here, this is like the translation, TR, translation process, PR, so I don't have to write a lot. So the translation part of the game server says, okay, I need something translated. It asks the API like, hey, please translate this. And then the API says, okay, bruh, here's your translation. And then the translation process itself can say like, okay, here is your translation. Boom, like that. Hello, Dylan, welcome back. All right, everyone understand this? So all of these things are going on at once. And then the translation process says, okay, I'm going to do it like this. So where is the fork? And here's the fork. This is the fork. Where's my cursor? Oh, over here. This is a Unix system call. It's called fork. Yeah, this is a parentheses and a semicolon. So this is the fork system call. Draw a fork, please. Sure. This is our fork. And apparently this thing, this stalls. So you get a timeout here. Like this is a sand. Like we are waiting and we're waiting and we're waiting. This is a hourglass. See, it's an hourglass. I'm very good at iconography. So it forks, but it stalls. So this entire box, like this arrow, this one doesn't work. And that's bad because apparently this fork stalls the entire thing. So this influences, let me use a color that you understand. It's basically this entire portion of the game, this entire thing, the entire game server box thing is waiting on the fork. So it's stalled on that fork call. And that's not good. Like the entire game has been made to run all of these things independently of each other. Like there are multiple of these constructions, like this construction that you see below here with the translation process and which calls an external thing, like this entire thing. There are multiple versions of that in the game that are coded slightly differently and work much better due to that. Like they don't stall at all. This doesn't happen, so this stall for the fork call doesn't happen on my computer, on my system. It doesn't happen on any server at all, but we apparently ran into a configuration, into an environment where this fork can stall everything. And yeah, that's not good. Maybe we should try a spoon. Yeah, the Dutch have some weird fork. Maybe it's no wonder that it's laggy. Don't worry about it. But anyway, this is what's happening. And like I'm going to fix this. So instead of having to fork at the moment we get a translation, we do one fork at the startup, and then we have just a process that's running concurrently with the server that can communicate like that. So it's going to happen. It's going to be like confined to one of these boxes, and it's just going to be good. Don't save because we already know it. Good. So that's cool. But I really like the translation feature itself, the end result, the transparency in which it's presented to the user. You saw a great demo today. Being able to communicate with the Russian players, with the Thai player, with the Indonesian players. It's just so good. I will drop off Firefly. Thanks for the superpowers and fun. Have a good weekend. Soda, thank you for being here. See you next week. Again, maybe on Sunday. a little bit earlier in the day, like the 14 to 16 UTC time slot is probably going to be what it is next week. So hope to see you then. Have a nice weekend. Thanks for being here, Soda, and for supporting everyone, bringing everyone to the live stream and giving them the cookies. That's good. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Also, thanks for the reports on the Android bug and all. Like, we definitely fix everything again. Sunday, thank you, Firefly. Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, next week, Sunday, most likely. Look. All right, so let's say goodbye for today. Thank you everyone for watching and for playing. It's been a blast. We had a great hunting party. The lag was definitely noticeable. I will stop about the lag. It will be fixed as soon as possible. So don't worry about that. It's gonna be fixed. Sundays, next perfect days. Yes, Samir likes cookies. That's what we do. See you later. Dream of cats in a box. I will. Potatoes. Yeah, the lag killed you in PvP, Loki, Obi. I can understand. Let's blame Sith for the lag. We can. Don't worry about it. We will. Let me check this one more thing. Again, I think the result, the experience for the end user is just so good with the translations. But now we have this lag, and that's not what we asked for. So we need to fix it. We need to fix it. Right. Yeah, that's good. Everything is good. Everything is good. You blame Sith because he's too good? When Obi's lag machine backfires, lol, or too bad maybe. I will tell you what, even the tic-tac-toe game couldn't bring the game to its knees. So it's definitely the translation. I searched for the Siri and I'm here. Glad you're here, Samir, but the stream is going to end. What is the stream about? It's called Angeldust Live. We play a game called Angeldust. You can find it on most app stores, on Steam, on itch. So look into it. It's the website is playangeldust.com, and there you can find all about it. I can run a trailer if you want. Like, this is stuff that people have built in the game. There's a free version on the Google Play Store if you want to just check it out. It's a smaller version of the game. Basically, it doesn't have all of the options, but it's free, so you can get a taste of what it's like. Here you can see some of the buildings that players have constructed in the game. So I don't really know, Obi. I never really profiled that. It's all basically... It doesn't matter at all. I think the game itself is heavier than the games that you make in Angeldust, so don't worry about overloading the server, it's never gonna happen, except when you add translations. Your lag machine says otherwise, yeah, but that's because it currently has the power of translating stuff, so that's going to disappear. Anyway, that's the trailer. Thanks for watching, everyone, and thanks for playing. Hope to see you again next week on Sunday. Again, it might be, compared to today, it will probably be 3 hours earlier. So that's not 17, but 1400 hours UTC. Earlier on Sunday, and you will see the episode pop up on YouTube. I will do my best to get rid of the lag as soon as possible. Might even try that tomorrow. I'm not entirely super sure if it's going to work or if it's going to happen. It might need a bit more time, but there might be a server restart tomorrow to fix the lag. And when I say fix the lag, it will be fixed. So, hey Firefly, see you next stream. Check my DMs. DMs like in Twitter. I don't DM. I have no idea how any of it works. Send me a private message on the website. That's better. So, that's good. This was it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will try to get a bit more sleep this evening and not roll out a Angeldust Android update in the middle of the night, and hope to see you again next week on the next live stream. Less lag, more fun. I promise. Anyone else got something to add? Loki says, nice stream, happy to be here, and I hope that all of you are having a good day or night. Silly Firefly, yes. Oh, maybe I am Silly Firefly. Hee hee, and we're laughing. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna stop streaming. Thanks for watching, thanks for playing. See you next week, Sunday, 1400 hours UTC. Enjoy the new holoscroll editing. Enjoy the new Android update that brings back the text confirmation when you tap the window. And enjoy the in-game translations that will be lag-free very soon. Yeah, that's it. Hope you have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next week. Peace out. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm still listening, of course. You know this. You know the drill. See you in the next update. Can take a while, but see you in the next update. Let's see. So if you have any more questions or things that you want to add, do it now, because the stream will soon be ending. You know this. Let me click the buttons. All of them. Like this. Can you do another stream for like 3 hours? It sounds enticing, but I guess not. I think we need another stream today. No, next week I'll be back. Congratulations on the PB, Obi. Samir, so if you come back next week, we can talk a bit more. So you sort of like joined at the end of the stream. Next week, we've got plenty of time ahead of us to talk. Check out the game. Again, play angeldust.com. It was stressful, but the moons aligned. Hey, that's the power and the beauty of speedrunning. You did well. You did great. Hum was running a dungeon. Yeah, it happens. It's... Oh, you were running a dungeon just now. Does this mean that I have to look up the website one more time? See if you have a PB? Speedrun. No PB for Hum. No PB. Nope. No siree. Actually, I am a Chinese hacker. Well, I find that very hard to believe. I will hack your game. Good luck, bro. I put on my Robo Wizard hat. Alright, 241 on the maze. That's not bad, that's not bad. I will end the stream on YouTube now. There's a few more minutes or seconds on Twitch left if you go there. But if you added microtransactions and you could pay for good dungeon spawns, that might be a good model of making money. I will consider it. Thanks for the suggestion. Until then, I will see you next week. Thanks for listening.